Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to Lola's recipe. How are you guys doing? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you very much for tuning in. In today's recipe, I will be sharing with you how I prepare my Nigeria Ogbono soup. If you are new to this channel, if today is your first time here, you are most welcome. My name is Lola and you are welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to all my subscribers, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers, my whole subscribers. Thank you so much for your amazing support. God bless you. Please let's get started. So here guys, I have my ingredients. Some of the ingredients that I'll be using for this recipe. I have some red palm oil. I have grounded pepper. I have salt. In this bowl, I have onion, scotch bonnet, bay leaf, ginger, and garlic to steam the meat that I will be using for this recipe. Next, I have grounded crayfish. I have seasoning cubes. I'm using Maggi, and I also have some aroma stock seasoning. I have stockfish fillet here, and I have grounded ogbono. This ogbono was given to me from one of the African store that I used to buy food stuff. They want me to try this ogbono from the person that want to be supplying them. So I'm going to give them a feedback after I've prepared this ogbono. Okay, guys, sorry. I have some smoked turkey. I have goat meat, cow ears. Here I have some mackerel fish. I use air fryer to smoke it. It is very beautiful. Here I have this vegetable called spring green. I bought it in Lidl. It is called sliced spring green. So in this cooking pot, I have the goat meat. I already seasoned all the proteins. We don't want to waste our time, so I've put salt, Maggi, seasoning, garlic, ginger, bay leaf, onion, scotch bonnet inside. For the proteins, I will be stirring the proteins separately. The smoked turkey, the goat meat, and cow ears. So while the meats are steaming on the fire, I will go ahead by preparing the ogbono. I have this grounded ogbono in a bowl. I will go ahead and add palm oil. I'm using red palm oil. So I will mix this together. I'm going to melt this on top of my pot while steaming the meat. Sometimes I do melt my ogbono in a pot separately. Sometimes I put it in the microwave and just microwave it for about a minute or 2 minutes to get melted. So at this stage, I will take this and place on top of my cooking pot so that I can melt it while steaming the proteins. You don't have to do this process, but it makes it easier for me when I'm stirring the ogbono. So at this stage, it has melted. You can see. So I'm going to set the ogbono aside. Now here is the smoked turkey that I just steamed. So right now I'm going to take out the smoked turkey from the pot and I will add the rest of the stock from other proteins. I will pour all the stock together. We need this stock to prepare the ogbono. Now we add dry pepper. So I'm using grounded pepper and I will add one shrimp seasoning into the stock. Next, I will add crayfish. I will reserve some of the crayfish so that I can use it later. At this stage, I will add more water. I need more water to cook the ogbono. I'm going to bring this to boil for about 3 to 4 minutes. 4 minutes later, I've come back. So it is time to add the ogbono into the stock. Yeah. Ogbono is African local mango that we see back in Africa. It is different from the mango that we see in the supermarkets here. Okay, it is local one. So they remove the seed after they have eaten the mango. They remove the seed, dry it, they break it, then they ground the seed. Yeah. So that is how ogbono is being made. So after adding the ogbono inside the stock, I'm going to mix this together. At this stage, this is the time we're going to know if the ogbono is going to draw or not. I'm kind of scared because I've put a lot of things inside there. I've cooked the proteins, everything. So I'm a bit afraid. I don't. It has happened to me before where I bought ogbono in a store. At this point, ogbono refused to draw it. Everything was just. It was smelly. It was very bad. I have to trash it. Honestly, I have to trash it and went to the store to buy okra and prepare okra soup that day. So this one is a bit good, I can see it's kind of drawing, yeah, but not that extremely drawing like the one I've brought from Nigeria. So this one is not bad. To me, it is good. It's not smelling bad. It smells like real ogbono. The aroma from ogbono, yeah, it smells so good. It tastes good as well. So at this stage, I will add the smoked turkey, the goat meat, and the cow ear. Cow ear is something like a cow foot. I prefer the cow ear than cow foot, so because there's no bones and doesn't take much time to cook. All right, so at this stage, I will be cooking this ogbono. If you realize that your ogbono is too thick, you can go ahead and add hot water, which I did earlier on. If you can see it, I added some hot water when the ogbono was when I was bringing the ogbono to boil. I added some water. So at this stage, after cooking the ogbono, I will go ahead and add mackerel fish. The mackerel fish and the stockfish, everything, all the proteins are already inside this soup at this stage. I'm going to stir together and bring this to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, I need to cook this very well. It is very good to cook your bolo very well, okay, so that it does not smell bad. You don't feel the taste of that unwanted taste from your soup. Okay, at this stage the ogbono is ready. I need to stir this very well because when you are cooking ogbono, you don't just abandon the ogbono on the fire, because you need to keep stirring this so that does not get burnt under. So I'm going to taste for salt now. Perfect. Right now I'm going to add the remaining grounded crayfish for flavor, and then I will add a spring green vegetable. You can use any vegetable of your choice. You can use spinach, you can use pumpkin leaf and some other vegetables that you know it is good for you. Some people do use bitter leaf or scent leaf or some other local green leaf, something like that. So I prefer to use those vegetables that I've mentioned, either this spinach or pumpkin leaf. All right. At this stage, the ogbono is ready. The soup is ready. Okay. Once I finish adding the vegetable, it is ready. If you have watched this video to this extent, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much. God bless you. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also remember to turn on your bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my upload. We've come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much, guys. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Until then, please stay blessed and stay safe. Thank you.